What's up, YouTube? It's Mike, back with another video this week. We're going to be going over all the companies that paid me dividends in the month of January. It's a little bit lower of a month for me, but let's get into the video and I'll show you what we're looking at. Alright everyone, as a reminder, as always, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. Helps out our channel, kind of keeps that algorithm moving. Also have some brokerage links down below for you. We have Webull, we have M1 Finance, we have Coinbase for you if you're wanting to get into some crypto. Go ahead and hit those, get your free stocks, your free money, your free bonuses. Without further ado, let's take a look at the dividends that I got paid in January. All right, everyone, I know the past week has been taken over with the whole GME craze, and I think everybody's kind of gotten on board with that in some form or fashion. But we're going to get back into what really is exciting about investing, and that's actually having your money work for you. So the month of January, probably my lowest month that I've had since I've really started. Outside of the beginning, I only had 4 companies pay me dividends for the month of January. We're going to start off with one of my favorite dividend stocks that I definitely need to increase my position in. Probably should have went with this more than GME, but the first one is going to be PepsiCo. PepsiCo paid me on January 7th with 73 cents for my, not even a full share. I had 0.71 shares. It gives me a total amount of 73 cents for this quarter. I'm going to use that as the start of my snowball. That way we can really invest in some more PepsiCo. I think they're on a pretty good dip right now, so if you want to get in at a better price, I think now's a good time to kind of extend your positions, kind of add to it. So 73 cents from PepsiCo, not a bad start from that dividend stock. The next company that paid me in the month of January was probably one of my favorite REITs. It's Federal Realty Investment Trust. They're a dividend king. Got paid $6.43 for my 6 shares. It comes out to about $1.06 per share per quarter. So about $6, which I really like Federal Realty Investment Trust. Like I said, they're dividend king. This is one of those positions, of course, I want to grow in every single one of these. The REITs, of course, they have such a large payout. So right now, $6, pretty good for every quarter. If you can get up to 100 shares on that, I mean, you're talking about 10 times that amount. That's pretty good. Pretty good odds. You get the 60 shares, you're talking $60. So 100 shares is $100. That's kind of where we're heading for right now with all of these stocks. Is trying to get up to that 100 share mark. That way we can maybe run some wheel strategy on some options. But FRT, I really like it. I think it's one of the better REITs, along with the next company that's paid me. And that next company is going to be Realty Income. The monthly dividend company. As you can see here, they pay me $2.38. If you look at the bottom of the page in December, it was $2.37. So we're already increasing that by at least a penny. It's only going to get better from there. I know it's just a penny, but it is growing. If you take a look at Realty Income here, we're looking at 10.14 shares that I got paid out at 23 cents per share, which gave me that $2.38 total. Same as all the others. This is just one of those great positions that I want to buy more into. It's pretty much at the same share price as when I bought the initial 10 shares, around $58 or so. So again, the market's been a little back and forth recently. I think GME has kind of taken over the entire the entire world, or at least the entire stock world. So a lot of these stocks can kind of be found at a pretty good value. And so I'm hoping that I can start kind of reinvesting my money there, kind of get away from the gambling and see what we can do with increasing these positions. And last but not least is Old Reliable, SPHD, also a monthly payer. This is my my high dividend, low volatility ETF. This is one of my larger positions, probably along with AT&T. For the month of January, I got paid for having 25 shares. I believe I've already increased that to at least 30, so next month hopefully will be higher. It's paying out about 15 cents per share, 14.9, for a total amount of 3.78. So just those 2 monthly companies, O Realty and SPHD, are giving me no less than $5, $6 every single month. So no matter what I do, no matter what the stocks do, go up or down, that's $6 every single month. That's more than I'd be getting holding it into a savings account where I was getting pennies and pennies for real pennies over the course of a year. So we can at least take that that money, that $6, throw it right back into the stocks, kind of increase our positions there. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited. 0.38, what was it last month? We'll take a look at that real quick. $3.11. So we went from $3.11 to $3.78. So yeah, already increasing, little by little. Can't argue with that. That's kind of the name of the game. Is you're going to start off slow and you're going to kind of add and add and add, and before you know it, that snowball is going to turn into a straight up slope. And that's kind of our goal here. We know it's going to be slow. We know we're talking about pennies, $10, $15 here and there. And hopefully, you kind of keep consistent. You incrementally invest. You buy every dip. You kind of just get your money in there. The whole time in the market is better than timing the market. So you keep investing, and before you know it, that snowball kind of takes off on you. And, as they say, to the moon. So we're going to jump into my little spreadsheet here. We're going to take a look at how the numbers for this month compared to months past. As you can see, I got my little dividend portfolio here, and my gains and losses and my annual income from each stock. We're going to jump over here to the dividend payments by month. As you can see, last month in December, we had $20.29. And this month, again, kind of back to my lower when I just started, $13.32. And of course, that happens. It's cyclical. Most companies pay out every quarter. So if you have a low month in there, well, you should be expecting to see that low month, every third or fourth month. December with the $20. And I'll tell you right now, just looking ahead on February 1st, just to give you an update, AT&T paid me $15 in dividends. So just with one company in February, I know that I'm going to eclipse what I made in January already. So it's, you can kind of put that. You always want to see the growth, and you take those little wins, and when you see $20 to $13 the next month, it's you take a little bit on the chin, and you kind of go, I wish it was more. But I already know in February I'm going to far exceed that $13, and hopefully I'm on track for my highest month yet. And there you guys have it. Unfortunately, only 4 companies pay me dividends this month, but that's to be expected. We know next month is going to be much better. I appreciate you guys for joining me along with this journey. As always, go ahead and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave in the comments what you think I should increase my positions in for the rest of the month. And as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed week.